Hi everyone. So this is Jamboard. Um, it's basically just a drawing extension Google app. All right, and we're going to be using a whole bunch this year. So just a little training on how to use it. So I'll explain how these tools on the left-hand side work. All right. So this is just a pen. All right. But if you click on it, you have a whole bunch of different options. You got a pen, a marker, highlighter, and a paintbrush. And then you have a whole bunch of different colors. But these guys obviously look a little bit different from each other. So if you're using the pen, you can kind of show how skinny it is, but then use the marker, and it's definitely a little bit wider. It's got a different look to it, right? So got a bunch of options there. For erasing, obviously you can use the eraser just to erase the different, one small part of it if you wanted to do that. If you wanted to erase the whole thing, you could hit like everything that you have on your whole whiteboard. You could just hit clear frame, all right? But then you also have the undo button too, all right? You can continue to undo things until you go back to where you wanted to. All right. Then you move down the arrow. The arrow is really just to select. Really, if you're doing a presentation, you can use that. All right. Really helpful is the sticky note. If you guys click on this guy, you have a whole bunch of different color options. All right. So you can just pick green if you wanted to. This is super helpful if you wanted to emphasize something. All right. Uh, Use this to emphasize. All right, and then you can hit save. Okay, and you can see the sticky note shows up here, but it continues to allow you to use sticky notes until you hit cancel. Okay, this is great for emphasizing something, but also if you're leaving another group feedback, you guys can leave post-its for to show that that's the feedback that you're giving them. You can also resize this, make it bigger and smaller, and the text will resize along with the text box. You can rotate the box, all right? And then if we go on to adding an image, so you have a whole bunch of options here. If you do that, you can upload one from your computer. You can go to Google image search. You can do one from Google Drive or even photos that you have. So if we just go to Google image search, just throw in sun here, get a good image of a sun. All right, and it's the same thing. You can click and drag this picture to anywhere you want to on the whiteboard, right? You can rotate it if you want to. You can resize it to fit exactly what you want to put in there, right? Another cool thing though is this. So say I grab this, right? This guy sitting behind it, right? And you definitely want your post-it to be over the top of the image. You have this option on either of these, this three-dot menu, all right? And you can duplicate it, you can delete it, or you can change the order, and you can actually send it to the back, and then they layer up on top of each other. So that's a really nice kind of added bonus that you can use. All right. Then they also have these pre-made shapes, which are the best for people who can't draw, obviously, like I can not draw. So they have a whole bunch of these different shapes. All right. So let me just show you guys how it works. Just a click and drag. And so you have this, obviously, like you can make an oval or circle, but you have the same options as the other things. You can resize it, all right, make it smaller and bigger. You can rotate it. Obviously, you can't rotate a circle, but and then you can also, you have this three-dot menu. You can duplicate it. You can delete them if you want to, right? And then you can layer them just like we were doing before, okay? Another cool thing is, and super helpful, is just a text box. So this text box can be put anywhere that you want. You can put text inside the shapes if you wanted to do that. You can also take this text box and you can click and drag it anywhere that you want to, resize it to make the font bigger, right? you can change the angle of it, just like with everything else. All right. So this is a super flexible platform that I think will be something you guys will be able to use to kind of express your ideas and get feedback on your ideas from other students also. Okay. And then the last piece is if you're actually presenting with this, you guys can use this little laser. All right. The red dot is obviously, but then when you click and drag around, you can actually make it act more like a laser. All right. So when you're presenting, you can use this to kind of emphasize where you're talking about on your board. Okay. I hope you guys have a great time using Jamboard. I think it'll be something that we can get a lot out of this year, and just to express your ideas and really get some feedback on them. So if you have any questions along the way, though, feel free to ask. We're there for you. All right. And I hope you guys enjoy.